right, well, I would like to welcome you to, I'm just going to check real quick if this is actually, okay, it's recording. I'm not, okay. So we are on SAM project 3A, and it is the Sam's grade. So let's just get right into it. Simply right into it. This one's a bit different than the others, but let's just get okay. So for one, use RFit to size column A so it fits the first content. Here that is. So we're gonna go home. We're gonna go to we're gonna go to format, then we're gonna go RFit column width. Immediately offset it. Done with that. So set the width of column E to approximately 14. So the word composition is visible. This is cell 14. We are going to go to format, column width, and we're just going to quickly type in 14 and hit OK. Simple as that. So apply the accent 5 cell style to range A1 to E1. A1 to E1 over here. That is going to be 5. So home. These are the accents over here. So we're going to go down to accent 5. Click that. And then this is going to be changed to range 15. And that is going to be our font size. All right. So merge and center the range A3 to E3. A3 to E3. Home. Over here, just click merge and center. And this is going to end up being Control B, bold. It's going to be center the text in B4 to E4. B4 to E4. This. We are going to center it. And that is going to be white background 1. So the font color is going to be white background. All right, use the format painter to apply the format from range A7 to E7 to the range A9 to E9. A7 to E7. Oops. We're going to go home, format painter, and then it is going to be A9 to E9. Just swipe it across. Why is it? Nice. Okay. Size the contents of A11 and change the font to Times New Roman. A11. Control I. Home. Times New Roman. Done. Okay. For cell A11 to E11, we're going to apply thick borders over here. And we are going to do the fill color to yellow. All right, we got that. For range B11 to E11, use conditional, okay. B11 to E11. Highlight that, don't go home. There's no formatting. We're gonna go to highlight cells. This is going to be greater than 70. That's already in. And you're going to change it to green fill with dark green text. That's where you're going to be at the end. Apply the short date format to this one over here. Format is going to be short date. Okay, so apply the percentage over here, home percentage, and then we're going to change that to 0 decimal places. That's going to give you 80%. So the submission, we are going to do the accounting format, counting, and then that is also going to be 0. Okay. Find and replace all forms of sem with semester. This one, you're supposed to go to find and replace, find, select. If you want to do that, if you don't want to, it's really simple. Just make sure you get rid of the period and just, I spell semester, and just respell semester. Just remember, make sure you get the period. You don't want to keep the period inside. Check the spelling and identify any spelling errors. All right. Composition is fine. Calculus is fine. It's going to be group project. Analysis is going to be Y, so I. And then tuition is just another I. They're very simple spelling mistakes. You don't have to go to find and select and do all that. Just do this, it's faster. All right. We're going to delete row 18. Very simple. We're going to delete you. Rename the grades worksheet down here to spring 2018 grades. Okay. And then the tab color is simply going to be blue. You want the blue, not light blue, just dark blue. All right. Graduation requirements, going to go over here. From range B3 to C8, B3 to C8, we are going to need for the decimal places. Oops. Oh, sorry. Over here, home number. Split to 1. We're going to go number and the decimal places going to be. So that's what you're also going to get at them. For B6 and C6, going to go to conditional formatting. Over here, going to go to data bars, and you're mainly just going to hit the blue data bar, which is great and fill. That would do that. Okay. And that is basically everything you're going to need to do. And all you need to do is move the sprint schedule between here and here. That's all. You want to save it. And the thing is with this is that you want to save it as a certain way. So you're going to get is your name underscore number 1. You want to get your name underscore 2. So just save as 2. And that's really all you're going to get. Just save as 2. I already did it. I already submitted it. It's going to be. So nothing's really going to change. So yeah, that's basically it.